Hi, I'll be going over a case study with you. This today is case study 242 is regarding methamphetamine withdrawal, chemical dependency withdrawal from drugs called specifically this one is related to methamphetamine. This is a female, age 55. She has been taking methamphetamine for years. And after that period of time, she decided or she felt ready that she could get off of it and she wanted an assistance for her to be successful. In addition to the usual side effects from methamphetamine, she had chronic aches in her whole body, the muscular aches and pain, and also hot flashes occurring several times a day and several times at night. So I started giving her acupuncture on the left-hand side in metal order: large intestine 1, UB 66, gallbladder 41, small intestine 5, and stomach 36, which had immediately reduced her symptoms. She felt calmer and she had less aches and pains. And she only had acupuncture twice in the first 2 weeks and then once a week after that. So once third week and once fourth week. In addition, she took herbs called Jingbang Baidusan, and that's for a lesser yang, greater yang combination body type, or you could see in the image that it's a blue body type. It's a upside down, or it's a down triangle shape of the torso, and it is also diagnosed in different ways or different names using different systems, such as in Sasang for constitution medicine, they're called Soyang In. Soyang is lesser yang. In means person. In Ayurveda, it's Pitta Vata. In Unani, called Sanguine. In Myers-Briggs, this person is ESFP, extrovert, sensing, feeling, and perceiving. And in Need Theory, she's an achievement person, or she has achievement motivation. So that's her constitution. Related to her constitution, she got the herbal formula, and she also had additional acupuncture points, which are wood points. It's a central point for this body type. The wood points are large intestine 3, UB 65, stomach 43, small intestine 3. She had a linear improvement. After each treatment, she felt additionally better. Less withdrawal, less feeling out of sort, less under the weather, less aches and pains, less hot flashes. And the herbs as phytonutrients had helped her inside to be more in balance. Her organs function better: nervous system, digestive system, glands, and immune system. They all improve in such a way that her sense of well-being got elevated. And when the sense of well-being in the body and mind gets elevated, it's easier for them to get off of the drug because they see a different world. They experience what normalcy is, so therefore they're able to leave the past behind, which she was able to do. By the 33rd day, she's just been for several weeks in such a good stable state that she's just ecstatically happy. She even said that I saved her, and that's a very high compliment. And yes, many people have that kind of a significant fast improvement. Other people not as slow. That's why getting acupuncture twice a day for those slower improvement people makes a lot of sense. Eventually, most people can get off these hard drugs that traditional treatment was not able to. So acupuncture is definitely here to stay for not only reduction of symptoms and rebalancing of the brain chemistry, which is a huge deal, but also below the neck. The person feels better. And related to the body type, she's an ESFP. S means that she has a combination of both green and the blue, meaning she could have green vegetables, root vegetables, and she's on a whole food plant-based diet from before, which was inflammatory foods: a lot of bread, pasta, carbs, cake, and a lot of different kind of other type of foods, such as too much meat and those things. So they held her system back, did not help her to feel well, so therefore her mind didn't feel well. Now that her mind and body felt better, she was more encouraged to be on the better way of eating and also specific for her body type. So lessening warming foods such as chicken and turmeric, ginger, that would aggravate her condition so she doesn't feel good and she has a need for going back to the addictional behavior if that happens. So there are things that we can do with acupuncture and herbs, and there are things that patients can do, which are eating good whole foods and do meditation, be on a spiritual journey. So I'm very grateful to be part of this process with her, and that she's able to get out of this situation now and she's able to maintain that on her own. And in the future, when she feels a little bit off, she could always get treatment for a continual journey of improvement process and stability.